In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to toggle outline view in Adobe Illustrator. If you've ever wanted a clean, wireframe look at your artwork without any distracting colors, strokes, or effects, outline view is the simplest way to get there. It shows you the bare bones of your design, the vector paths and anchor points, so you can check precision, alignment, and any hidden shapes that might be interfering with your layout. Let's walk through it clearly and quickly. First, open your document in Illustrator. Any file you're already working on will do. With your artwork visible, head to the top of the screen and click the View menu. From there, choose Outline. The moment you select it, your canvas switches to a minimalist display. You'll notice that fills disappear, strokes are no longer rendered as thick lines, and effects like shadows, gradients, and blurs are temporarily ignored. You're left with the exact paths that define every shape. This is especially helpful for spotting stray points, overlapping paths, or tiny shapes that can be hard to see in full color preview. Text will appear as its vector outlines rather than filled letters, and placed images typically show as boxes, making it easier to see how your vectors relate to them. If you're working with complex artwork, you may also notice that navigating feels faster because Illustrator doesn't have to render effects. If you prefer a quicker way to switch views, use the keyboard shortcut. On Windows, press Ctrl+Y. On a Mac, press Command+Y. This shortcut toggles between outline and preview, so you can flick back and forth as you fine-tune details. Many designers keep a finger on this shortcut during editing to confirm shapes are clean and paths are aligned before returning to full preview. When you're ready to see your design as it will actually look, including all fills, strokes, and effects, just toggle back. Use the same shortcut, Ctrl+Y on Windows or Command+Y on Mac, or go back to the View menu and choose Preview. Your artwork returns to its normal appearance, exactly as it will export or print. A few quick tips as you use this. If something looks like it disappeared in outline view, it's likely just a filler effect that's not displayed in this mode. Don't worry, it hasn't been deleted. And if your document suddenly looks